World's first large three-engine drone takes to the sky, independently developed by China. This drone can be used in transport and attack missions. It is a three-engine variant of Tengden's twin-engine TB twin-tailed Scorpion, and the designation of this new variant is currently unknown. It has a width of 20 meters and a length of 11 meters. It is equipped with 3 piston engines, with one under each wing and one on its tail, enabling it to have a maximum takeoff weight of 3.2 tons and an endurance of 35 hours. The drone has a flight ceiling of 9,500 meters, a max climb rate of 10 meters a second and a top speed of more than 300 kilometers an hour. It is very adaptable and can be deployed in airfields in plateau areas.